A lot of people want Bitcoin, but no one's selling Bitcoin. Very few people are selling. When that happens, demand supply gap, straight Bitcoin starts shooting up. Every time Bitcoin comes suddenly in the trend, we all talk about Bitcoin, it shoots up, goes to an unbelievable amount, and then it crashes after that, which has been happening, I think 4 or 5 times before. It crashes again. And once it crashes, no one talks about it for quite a bit of time. And then again, it starts and picks up the rally and starts going up really fast. So today we're going to see what's happening with Bitcoin. Why are so many people suddenly talking about it again? And will this bubble burst? Because every time Bitcoin goes up, there's only one thing in the market saying Bitcoin bubble is going to burst. There's a bubble. And I think we're obsessed with this word bubble. But let's see what's going to happen today. I don't know whether you guys are tracking Bitcoin, but I think yesterday or day before, I think 2 days back, Bitcoin reached an all-time high of $24,000 for one Bitcoin. So the amount of money that's coming into the Bitcoin market and the ease of payments that it is actually helping this as well is boosting the Bitcoin market massively currently, right? Now, a lot of institutional investors, big people with big money called whales are coming and investing in this. Now, it's not only about investing. These guys are investing and holding it. Right? When you hold it, you absorb a massive amount of demand in the market. And when you absorb this entire demand and you're not selling it, then there's very less demand supply gap happening, because a lot of people want Bitcoin, but no one's selling Bitcoin. Very few people are selling. When that happens, demand supply gap, straight Bitcoin starts shooting up. Okay. Now, if you go to the next slide, which I just spoke about, which is increasing holders. Now, again, in crypto terms, it's not called holders. It's this weird, text called hodlers or whatever it is, but it's still called hold. So in this graph, what this graph basically says is that blue line that you see is the number of people, or the number of addresses, not people, number of addresses in the Bitcoin market that are holding more than 1,000 Bitcoins in their portfolio. Right? The blue line is basically that number of people holding more than 1,000 Bitcoins in that address, right? Number of addresses. Now, if you see that the number of addresses have gone up from the past, and each significant timestamp over there is a yearly timestamp. And I think in March 1st, 2020, around 2,200 people are just holding 1,000 Bitcoins in their wallet, right? So this is something super interesting, so that a lot of people are looking at this as a long-term play. So by the way, do you guys know that the stock market opens from 9 to 3:30? Bitcoin is open 24/7. The market is open 24/7. You can trade Bitcoin even at 3 a.m., 4 a.m. in the morning. You can buy and sell, right? Now, this is a market that is open 24/7, 365 days of the year. There is no Saturday, Sunday and stuff like that for the crypto market.